Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study what is the basic trick of reading research papers. So, if you are new to PhD or new to research and you do not know how to start with reading research papers, then this video is the best fit for you. So, there is a scenario when your guide or your professors gives you some research papers to read, then it is fine for you. But when you have to look by yourself from a lot of papers, you have to find yourself and you are just given the topic. You just know the name of the topic, but you are not given the research papers. Then what will you do? So, how you are going to find papers and how you are going to read them one by one? This I am going to discuss over here. So first of all, what you have to do is compile a list of papers. Say first you are taking 5 papers. So after taking 5 papers, categorize them. So now you have 5 papers that you have taken by title which are relevant to your topic. Now read every paper 10%. Like you read the paper and read in a way that you get the understanding of paper at least 10%, right? And also from those 5 papers, there will be some paper that you will find interesting. So it can also happen that you will not find any of them interesting, then you can go to the next one. You can read each of them to get the 10% understanding and then you can go to another paper. Okay. So then what you do? So if once you read those papers 10% and the one you find interesting, so see its citations. So also if when you will find some paper interesting, you will not be able to understand it 100% because there will be some mathematical notations, there will be some modeling, and it is not possible to understand that modeling part and understand those mathematical notations part in one go. So what you do, you have to look the another paper. So from that paper, you look what are the citations of that paper and find the other papers to read. So after finding other papers, read that paper and come back to your paper that you were reading. Okay, so now once you read through a citation paper, so you will there like you will also understand that paper. So one more paper is added to your knowledge, and when you will go back to the paper that you were reading, that will also help in understanding that. So in this way, you try to understand one whole paper completely, and also you keep on adding papers to your list and understanding them 10%. So yeah, this is the one. Then try to understand that paper completely and skip the ones that seem less worthy. So now, say you in this way you have reached 10 papers. Now you go back to the 5 papers that you were reading earlier. So now you will get to know that there is some paper that you seem less relevant to the content you are reading. Then you can skip that paper and you can continue understanding the paper that you find interesting and that you find like knowledgeable. So also, if you read 5 to 20 papers related to a topic, you will be able to do the algorithm implementation, right? And if you read 50 to 100 papers related to a topic, you will gain the complete understanding of the topic. So this is the minimum to maximum value. So to understand some algorithm implementation via code and its theory, its modeling, you have to read at least 5, and you can read max of 20 papers. You have to read 5 to 20 papers.